I got a mask and what do she do? I do everything. I move everything.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I got this box from Ikonick, and it's a picture in here that I ordered. It's pretty big, so I'm gonna have to definitely move the camera around for you guys to see. I am kind of in a rush because I got somewhere to go. I have to go to work, so I'm trying to get this out and make it kind of fast. Oh, so cute. I know you guys want to see it, so let's see what I can do to show you guys. It's so cute. Look at it. So cute. It says money doesn't buy happiness, and I'm going to hang this on my wall right above my couch that I just purchased that is also pink. So how exciting. Let me see, let's look at it. Take it out. Yeah, this is nice. The quality is pretty decent. I'm trying to get it in full frame so y'all can see it. But yeah, I'm gonna post this on my wall. I'm just trying to see what it's gonna look like. The detail is really nice. Like, as you can see, look at that. That's gonna look real nice on my wall. Y'all, I'm buying stuff to set up my front room. So this is one of the pieces of art that I purchased. And again, Ikonick. I think I'm gonna grab some more stuff from them though, just to add to, because I think my wall is still gonna look kind of plain with just that up there, but I do like this a lot and I'm excited to decorate. And look at it, the details of it is just really good. Cute. So that was all that I really wanted to show you guys. I like it. I know a lot of people are probably going to ask where I got it from, so I'm making a video in advance for those people. And if you don't know anything about Ikonick, they have a lot of stuff on their website. Really dope artwork, so go check them out. Yeah, so that was really all that I had for you guys on that. I hope that you guys like the artwork. Like I said, they have tons of different things on there. I think I'm gonna grab, they have like lip pictures and stuff like that. I think I'm gonna grab some of those as well. But yeah, that was it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye-bye.